morning, everybody. It's June 12th. Woke up today to a sale this morning. Not much, but it was some Hogan golf balls. It was only 5 of them, so I listed them. There was $4.75 plus the buyer pay shipping, which I think paid about $5.40. So it came about $9-10 altogether, and that's pretty much it. But I looked at the last name. They got the same last name as what's on the ball, so it's like I figured they probably bought them just because of that. And I mean, pretty sure they probably play golf too. But yeah, so all right, so it's a good deal. So I mean, with all those golf balls that I had in the bucket, I'm paying 10. I paid 10 cents per ball. So selling what I sold, and they ended up paying $4 to ship it off. I already have them all packaged and ready to go. And I profit that from the 10 cents pretty much of the cost of the ball, and shipping and everything. It came out with $4 and some change. So it's a nice little profit for a 10-cent ball. So that's it for right now. So anything else that goes on or transpire, I'll let y'all know. So till then, peace out. So I ended up making a sale, but this sale wasn't on eBay. It was on OfferUp. A buyer messaged me asking, pretty much offering me a lower amount than what I paid, but it was a Pioneer VSX D711. It's a theater receiver. I had it up there listed for $100, and initially he asked for, I think it was 55, and I sent him 75, and then we ended up agreeing on 70. Then once I got there, he ended up trying to still sell it for 50. I was gonna take it, then I told him 60 and agreed on that. So that was all that. But it was kind of just out of the kind of blue, because usually when I message people on there, I get a lot of people who just message. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like they waste their own time, but sometimes they just message me acting like they wanted it, and they just don't message no more. But this particular person did, so that's $60. I don't even know how much. Let me see how much I paid for that. Well, I paid $41.85 for that, so that was pretty much about $18.50 profit. That wasn't what I wanted, but it's all good, because I mean, at the same time, I'm pretty much going over not having to deal with fees, so I guess it's all good in the end. But that's another thing out of here. Just all that is one thing leave and another thing comes. So just replacing the space. But that's it. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see what's going on. But till then, stay a student for life, learn from your mistakes, and everything will be alright. See ya, guys.
Yeah. That whole box is $3.
Really?
Yeah.
What up, everybody? I just had a kind of random day. I was just driving and ended up seeing a yard sale sign. So I was almost home, and I turned around and went to go look for where it was coming from. So I ended up going there, and I put a little footage in there with me going around getting stuff, but it was pretty cheap, and I found a couple of things. Dude had a lot of vintage like stuff, just different items, but I ended up picking up a few things and ended up paying $15 for everything, and it's quite a little couple things too that I have. And once I get to the house, I'll show y'all guys what I got. That's actually my first time actually just seeing a garage sale and just straight going to it. And I'm glad I did, because if I start seeing them much more, I'm start going to those. So I guess, things are opening up back in my city. So I'm in Cleveland, so a lot of stuff's opened back up, and the Goodwills and all that. So you're able to have more sources to find different things. But as I can just keep on moving, keep on getting a lot of items. So hopefully this is some good. I feel like I got some good finds. So once I get to the house, I'm gonna show y'all guys what I got, and we'll see how everything goes from there. Peace out.
Alright guys, I'm back, and I got a couple little items here, so let me go ahead and tell y'all around right now. Alright, what we got here is a Polymer Electronics Corporation. It's I just had looked it up real quick because I still didn't know, even though I got it, but I just looked at it and it looks like something that would be good to sell. So it's a radio amplifier. So I don't know if it works or not, but I looked up and saw a listing. It was kind of different model, so I had to actually look at the picture to match it, to make sure I had I'm looking at the right models. And this particular model had sold for $300. So and it was in parts and for selling for parts, not working and selling for parts. So for a $3 investment here, pretty much, yeah, I think it's worth it. Up here is some knives that I saw. Some pretty nice looking knives. I didn't really look them up to really check and see if they were selling, but they look good. And at the same time, the guy at the yard sale was selling pretty much everything very cheap. So these are the knives, and I'm gonna look these up, see how much they're going for. They may be, I don't know, probably be around 12, 15 maybe. That's what I'm thinking, but we'll see. Another set here. These knives. I looked at these. I did a real quick scan of search for them, and I think it was about $15 maybe they were selling for. So once again, pretty much all this stuff I got is $3 a piece. Let me get this open. Alright, these are the other set here. So I'm gonna get these two listed also. Up next here is some walkie-talkies. I don't know if they work or not. I just saw them and thought maybe it could be some potential something. So I just picked them up, and they look good. I don't know if they work or how long of a range, but I'm gonna get those looked up and find a model and everything. Next here is Cavaliers hat. So this looks pretty decent, and I know hats do be selling. I'm really not a hat person and really usually don't sell hats, but actually I'm bidding on some hats too on an auction too. But yeah, I usually don't, but I see they sell, so I'm gonna give them a try. And last here is a bunch of DVDs.
I don't know if they all got cases in them or not. I mean, CDs in them or not, but the guy walked past, has told me just take them off $3. I'm like, well, okay. So here we go. Everything here for $15. Actually, I'll take that back. I kept saying 15, but it's actually $14. Yeah, because I know I gave him 3 5s and gave me $1 back. So yeah, all of this for $14. I think it's a big steal for me. I mean, it's way cheaper than the online auctions, because once you get to that, the price goes up a little bit more. So hopefully I see some more garage sales going on. I'm probably had to do a search too. Probably look on Facebook or something and see if something around like nearby me, because seemed like, I guess this is time, and since everybody's coming from being quarantined and we got a little bit of leeway to do something, I guess I start hitting up garage sales. Save me a lot of money, and when I'm sourcing as far as the online auction, I mean, I'm still continue to do that too also, but the garage sales is a lot cheaper. I've been hearing about them anyways a lot, but now I'm about to start going to them. So for all that said, that's it for today, or at least I think so. But if anything happens, I'll let y'all know. But until then, stay stupid for life, and I'm gonna catch y'all guys later. Alright people, let me quick to tell you that amplifier that I just showed y'all that I just got from the garage today earlier. Just sold it on OfferUp. I listed it on eBay and OfferUp for $300. And somebody messaged me from California already, asked me if it's still available. They sent me a prepaid amount offer of $150, and I accepted it. So that's pretty nice flip already. You know, that's like, I don't know, within 2 hours, probably way less than that, to be honest. But yeah, it's going out. Paid pretty much $3 for it, so I'm gonna get that shipped out Monday. The postal office is closed right now, so once I get that on the way, there I have it. But till then, like I said, I always say, I'll catch y'all guys later.